Hi, welcome to Jason's Vegan Kitchen. This next recipe is for quick pickled carrots. They taste great and they are super nutritious. Let me know what you think in the comments.
Your ingredients are a kilo of carrots, half cup of apple cider vinegar, a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of chili powder, teaspoon of sugar, and teaspoon of cumin. The last three ingredients are optional but do add flavour. To a bowl, add your half cup of apple cider vinegar. White distilled vinegar also works great. Your cumin, if you're using it, 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of chili powder, if you're using that also. 1 teaspoon of salt. The optional 1 teaspoon of sugar, which is great for flavour, but I often use maple syrup instead. Give it a really thorough whisk and put your bowl to one side. If, like me, you're using purple carrots, you may want to use gloves for the next part. Prep your carrots, so wash, peel and take the ends off. Slice or grate your carrots next, depending on your preference. I decided to do half of each. I grated first, and then with the magic of YouTube, here's some super fast slicing action. Then pop your carrots into a jar. I'm doing the sliced ones first. Add some of your mixture on top, reserve some if you're doing more than one jar, and you might need to add a little bit of water and salt just to keep the ingredients submerged. Put that aside, and then it's ready to eat in an hour or so. And if, like me, you need 2 jars, just repeat the process. So I'm adding the grated carrots to another jar, adding in the remainder of the mixture, packing it down as tight as I can. And I forgot to record it, but I did add a bit more salty water here just to keep the carrots submerged. So this is more of a pickle than a ferment, but it is delicious and healthy. It tastes best after left for a few days, but will keep for weeks in the fridge. They're great as a side dish or a little snack. Do occasionally just check to make sure that they're fully submerged in the liquid, and if not, add a bit more salted water.
So that was for quick pickled carrots. Please check out another of my recipes if you enjoyed that.